Hello, I am Unnati Lohati and I am a student of Bachelor's in Media and Communication, currently in my third year at Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. My time at the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication has been really rewarding. Most valuable for me is the experience that I have gained through a multitude of projects that I've had the opportunity to be a part of. We are given the best facilities and equipments that really aid the learning process. Our faculty here are industry veterans from whom I have learned the skill and the passion in the medium that I want to chart out my career in. What I love is the freedom that we get to work on our own projects under our professor's guidance, whether it be magazines, news bulletins, short films or event management. We really get to put into practice what we learn. Moreover, we often gain practical real-world experiences. For instance, I had the valuable opportunity to conduct a video interview with Mr. Mani Tiwari, the CEO of NSDC. I've also had the honor of hosting our annual film festival Avlokan for 2 consecutive years. At the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, I have gained the knowledge and skills to be confident in myself and my abilities. If you're also passionate about using your voice and expressing your ideas, this is the perfect place for you to be.